If you want to set up a reader with a reflex in IPassan Manager, start by clicking on the Site Wizard icon. Then, select the Features option from the top and click Next to the Uses Reflexes feature. Now click on Equipment and Settings and save before continuing. Click on Readers and select the reader you want to edit. Then click the edit symbol next to Reader Profile. Now click Add a custom behaviour and define the reader behaviour using the available options. In this example, the custom reader behaviour is defined by what happens when the exit switch is pressed. Once you're done, click Save. Now select Reflexes and click on Add a reflex. Choose the type of reflex and element for the door. Then simply choose the reader and custom reader behaviour. Finally, click Save.